The AI Revolution, Google's developers on the future of artificial intelligence. The development of artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized various aspects of our lives, from autonomous vehicles to advanced healthcare systems. Google, one of the world's leading technology companies, is at the forefront of this ongoing AI revolution. In an interview with the company's prominent AI developers, they shed light on the incredible prospects and potential challenges that lie ahead in the realm of AI. Understanding the current state of AI. According to Google's developers, AI has come a long way, primarily due to advancements in deep learning algorithms, massive computational power, and the availability of massive datasets. This progress has enabled AI systems to outperform humans in numerous tasks such as image recognition, language translation, and strategic game playing. The future of AI in everyday life. As AI continues to advance, Google's developers envision a future where it permeates numerous aspects of our everyday lives. Smart homes will be equipped with AI-powered assistants capable of performing tasks, managing energy consumption, and enhancing security. Healthcare will benefit from personalized AI diagnostics, enabling early detection of diseases and efficient treatment plans based on individuals' data. The ethical dimensions of AI. Google's developers recognize the ethical challenges associated with AI. They are focused on developing responsible AI systems that consider fairness, transparency, and privacy. These developers emphasize the importance of avoiding biases in the algorithms and providing explanations for AI decisions. They highlight the need for clear ethical guidelines and regulations to prevent AI misuse. AI and the future of work. The expanding capabilities of AI have raised concerns about potential job displacement. Google's developers argue that while some jobs might become fully automated, new opportunities will emerge. They believe that humans and AI will work synergistically, with AI augmenting human capabilities, leading to improved productivity and innovation across industries. Addressing the AI knowledge gap. Google's developers acknowledge the need to bridge the AI knowledge gap. They advocate for integrating AI into educational curricula at various levels, enabling individuals to understand AI concepts and empowering them with skills to work alongside AI systems. They also stress the importance of democratizing AI by ensuring equal access to AI tools and resources. AI and human connection. Contrary to concerns about AI isolating individuals, Google's developers believe that AI has the potential to enhance human connection. Intelligent systems can facilitate communication and language translation, allowing people from different cultures to connect effortlessly, fostering collaboration and understanding across borders. Challenges and risks. Google's developers acknowledge that AI development is not without its challenges and risks. Ensuring AI systems are secure from hackers and preventing malicious use of AI technology are top priorities. Additionally, the potential for AI to amplify existing societal biases raises concerns, emphasizing the importance of ethical guidelines and continuous monitoring. The role of collaboration. Google's developers emphasize the significance of collaboration between academia, industry, and policymakers to reap the full benefits of AI. Collaboration is crucial in addressing technical challenges, sharing best practices, and shaping regulatory frameworks that foster responsible innovation and ensure AI benefits society as a whole. Conclusion. Google's developers provide a comprehensive perspective on the future of AI, highlighting the transformative role it will play in various domains. Their insights underscore the importance of ethical considerations, education, collaboration, and responsible development to shape an AI-powered future that amplifies human potential and brings benefits to all. With prudent decision-making and diligent efforts, the AI revolution holds remarkable promise for a more prosperous and connected world.